the advantages now they used to have as before in exploiting these people.
You heard that the first cruise ship docked in Port Royal the other day, shortly after which Jamaica was rocked with earthquakes. Interference, but dog this cursed city. Jamaica gonna store it and dig up artifacts and dig up the curse.
Dig up the hill.
Yeah. Dig up Duppy.
I tell you.
So when we do it Trump now, he's untouchable.
Yeah, but he has created a damage to America's
Image
yes.
over the world, because I think the rest of the world is now laughing at the great America. And put the great in quotation.
And now they've been laughing so much that they laugh openly. They no longer cover their mouth, they just laugh. So when Trump speaks abroad, they just laugh. Because he says some outlandish thing, they just laugh. They're like, my God. But he has put a damage on how
the image of America as a whole.
and how democracy work in America.
Because unlike what happened the other day, it is setting a precedence.
That's a danger. That's
and as one of them say anything about it, we fire them. And replace them with one of them mafia friends.
you see the firing he can do, because that's his cabinet. But the other things we're doing and then the Congress now follow through with him, allow him to do those. You cannot do that, because the way government is set up in America, it's a check and balance system. So the Senate and the House of Representatives together equals the president.
Dean, where you from around here, sir? Is it not just thinking where you from around here, sir?
They change.
You not think about arrival? Yeah, so the Senate and the House of Representatives is supposed to equal the president.
Yeah.
You understand? Instead now,
Here's a split.
yeah, and the Senate is cowering to the president. You cannot that is unheard of, because that's how you keep the president in check, so the president doesn't behave like a king.
Right.
You understand? Because that's what the war.
I wonder if he's giving them money.
I don't know. We don't know, but but he's not as rich as he says he is. He has always played rich, He has always paid people to put him in magazines and have him on
buildings,
right, and have him appear on shows. Because when you see Trump golf course, it's really his name is licensed. The people are licensed to use his name on the thing, and he gets paid for it. But what I think is happening, I think Russia has information on the Republicans also, not just on the Democrats, but holding it over their head and having them walk in lockstep with the president. You see what I mean? I think that's just my theory. Yeah. They could not be behaving the way they're behaving. You're kidding me? That's not all the system in America work. You cannot behave that way at all.
The system was a model.
Correct. That's how so many countries create their democracy off the U.S. system.
As I would say in Jamaica, you're in America.
Bump it. Everything all right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, all right. Go talk to me. Me link up with Nell for link up with you. All right? Yes.